Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, Cloudy. Good morning, turkeys, geese, chickens. How are you guys? How are you, Cloudy? Anyway, guys, as you can see, they are all again inside their pen because they always it's been when I let them out, it's consecutive 3 days, but on those days I think me and my husband decide to put them back in the pen because they are not safe roaming around here at the property. Those 3 days you've been see them, they are walking there at the driveway. Sometimes they are there at the front field, but the most dangerous thing is they going inside the pen of the dog in the front yard. You know, we have 2 dogs that they are not safe with together with the chicken. They gonna kill the chicken. Those animals, they gonna kill it. So we decide to put them back here inside their pen. At least we think that inside their pen they are safe. This is the pen of the turkeys and some of the guineas and the chicken. And as you can see over there, there's a small coop. We put the 5 rooster over there because I don't want plenty of rooster roaming around together with the hen. They are chicken. They are chasing the hen. So I decide to select those rooster that I don't want to roam around and put them inside of that small chicken coop. We are not yet decided what we are going to do with them, if we're gonna butcher them for us to have food, or we gonna sell them. They are still young. They are only 6 months old, those rooster. And I have my favorite chicken over there. Why you kick Tisay? I will show it to you, huh? Come here, Tisay. Come to Mama, Tisay. Come here. Tisay. Come here, baby. Joy. Guys, this is Tisay. He's so nice. My golly. Good girl, Tisay. You're a good girl. See? You're beautiful in the camera. You see that? You see yourself in the camera? You want to roam around here? Don't go in our front yard, huh? There's a dog over there. Okay. Go down. And I will show you guys. Hello, Mr. Birdie. How are you? Mr. Birdie. This one, that is a mean turkey. That one, mean turkey. She's a female, but she's the mean one compared to the male. Look at her. She wants to pick me again. Anyway, guys, this side don't go far, huh? This one, guys, we make a week ago. For this is we gonna put our new chicks, because we have a broody hen. Actually, they are 3 now, and the 2 we gonna hatch this week. I hope we gonna finish this even without the siding outside. We only have to finish the roof and put fence around it. This is our brooder. You know what, guys? This materials is free. We only use we only buy a screw. That is only our expenses of it. But most of the materials are free. That's why here at our yard we have lots of pallet to use for our chicken. That's only, guys, I only want to show you our brooder. And the mean turkey, they want to, aray ko, you pick me again. I thought my finger is far away from her. You're a mean, huh? You want in a dinner table? Huh? You want in a dinner table? You want? Even if you are hen, we will put you in the table. Huh? Yeah. She picked me again. What's that? What's going on? Why the dog? They are barking. We have a delivery. Maybe we have a delivery, or only they seen something on the road. They are always like that. Okay, guys. I'll see you later, huh? Drink more water. Okay? Drink more water. Eat. Bye-bye. See you later, guys. God bless. Thank you. And bye-bye.